Good day. My name is Angelie Dometita, a third-year education student from Amando College. I'm here to discuss about the parts of a letter, and we will focus on a friendly letter. And now, I will first explain what a letter is. A letter is a written message addressed to the person or organization, company, or an institution. It could be a formal letter, informal letter, or a friendly letter. A friendly letter has 5 parts: the heading, the salutation or the greeting, the body, the closing, and the signature. The first part is the heading. The heading includes the address or the date. This is written on the upper right part of a letter. This is an example of a heading. As you can see, there is an address and the date, and it was placed at the upper right side. Next is the greeting. The greeting usually begins with dear and is followed the person's name and then a comma. In this underline, you will put the greeting like dear sir, dear madam, dear Brenda, dear Miss Ford, dear Mr. Cruz. Next is the body. The body of a letter is the letter, the information you are writing on your letter. It includes the message you want to write. For example, in the body of a friendly letter, you will tell your friend about something fun you recently did, and you can also congratulate your friend on a job well done for a recent accomplishment. Next is the closing. Written on the right side of a page and the line in the heading. Make your closing appropriate for who you write the letter is. A comma should follow the closing. There are commonly used like sincerely, sincerely yours, regards, your friend, yours truly. Next is the signature. In the signature, you write your name below the closing. The signature line and the handwritten signature are intended to the same column as the close. Next is, here are the example of the signature: Mike, May, Dariel, Lloyd. This is an example of a friendly letter. As you can see, there is a heading, greeting, the body, the closing, and then the signature. And for your assignment, you will make your own friendly letter. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned some tips on how to write your friendly letter.